We analyzed social media to capture people awareness and interest about food wastage in workplace and got some interesting results after analyzing social media extensively. We found out that around 8,476 direct mentions of workplace food wastage on social media in last 3 months with a reach of 4.6 million. There was 2059 user-generated content where users expressed their opinions on food wastage. There was overall a positive sentiment towards reducing food wastage with 76.3% of users writing articles in favor of reduction of food wastage in workplace. We collated top mentions from influencers to understand the reach our product and potential market, and did an analysis to find out most used keywords for our digital marketing campaign. We also collated top public profiles supporting the cause for potential future collaborations for our product.
Hey Isha, organizations are moving towards environmental sustainability nowadays, and in our office we are wasting high amount of food daily. Is there anything that can be done to reduce this wastage?
I know a product that can help us reduce food wastage significantly at small cost with immediate results. We will schedule a meeting with the company to get insights into the product. Hey Ravi, can you please provide some insights about your product related to the control of food wastage and its implementation?
Yeah, sure, Asha. Let me introduce you to the product through a short presentation of what is it and how it works.
Block diagram consists of waste bin, load cell, ultrasonic sensor, load cell interface, RFID model, controller, Wi-Fi module, real-time database, LCD display to showcase the result. The employee will be able to open the dustbin through an RFID sensor tag. The weight of food wasted by him or her will be displayed on the top of the dustbin through a weight sensor that is load cell. The IoT device will communicate the data from the microcontroller to a real-time database system of the company. Ultrasonic sensor will monitor the level of food wastage in the dustbin through a benchmark. Food wasted by the individual will be displayed on the LCD.
The target market in phase 1 is organization/office canteens/corporate setup to install waste managers in their premises. The target of our product will be to make a psychological impact on employees to reduce food wastage by targeting them subconsciously around the company. We will show real-time data of food wastage on existing TVs in cafeteria. The data will be shown in form of advertisements and through screensaver. The ads and screensaver will give emotional appeal to employees to reduce food wastage when they see it. The ad will feature real-time data of total food wasted in the cafeteria throughout the day. It will also tell how many people could be served with the wasted food. In one single building of approximately 1,600 employees with 2 cafeteria and 2 dustbins, the expected food wastage per day is about 219 kilograms. For 1 month it is about 6,575 kilograms. Our product will change the attitude of close to 960 employees towards food wastage within 1 month of installation, and behavioral change of ordering limited food in 95% plus employees within 6 months. We have also accommodated features for efficient waste management. The bin manager will notify administration when it is full and needs to be cleaned. In phase 2 of production process, we will soon come up with our own certified compostable bio-based bags which will replace traditional garbage bags. These will be plant-based biodegradable plastic bags which will be home compostable, which means these will break down in a home compost bin. This will further save cost of procurement and recycling of traditional plastic bags for you. Now, question arises as to what will be the cost of our product. It needs the following equipment: a load cell of 300 kilograms and HX711 weight sensor module will cost 600 rupees to 800. Atmega 328 controller will cost between 200 rupees to 300. Ultrasonic sensor will cost 1,200 rupees to 1,400. A 500 kilograms dustbin will cost between 400 rupees to 500. A RFID sensor will cost 100 rupees. In all, our cost goes up to 2,200 rupees to 2,400. Expected error in calculation is considered 200 rupees to 300. Our total manufacturing cost will be 2,400 rupees to 2,700. Our profit margin will be 20 to 30% on cost, which takes our expected retail price to 2,800 rupees to 3,200. Next question will arise about the target market of our bin manager. Total number of active companies in India are 1,195,045 and companies with more than 100 employees are 70 to 75%. Total companies in our target market are 840,000 to 900,000 companies. We estimated that almost 50% of companies will buy our product within the next 5 years, which gives us a total market of 420,000 to 450,000 companies. Estimating that each company will buy an average of 10 dustbins from us, we need to manufacture 4,200,000 to 4,500,000 dustbins in the next 5 years. Considering that our average orders will grow at an average of 50% CAGR in 5 years. We estimate that our first year sales will be 120,000 to 150,000 units. Second year sales will be 240,000 to 256,000 units. Third year sales will be 480,000 to 512,000 units. Fourth year sales will be 960,000 to 1,024,000 units. Considering exponential growth, our fifth year sales will be 2,400,000 to 2,560,000 units. In total, our sales will be 4,200,000 to 4,500,000 units. We will follow assembly line production, i.e. product features will be added on the line assembly production. The production line will be partially automated with a capacity of 30 units per hour with workers managing the machine. In first year, we will need 2 lines of production. Average space required for one line of production is 50 meters by 10 meters. So, for 2 line our space requirement will be 100 square meters. Considering the continued increase in sales of our product, we estimate that we will need to buy total land of 5,000 square meters. Factory will include an area for raw material storage, finished goods storage, workers area and other amenities. Now, question arises about the initial capital required. We will need a land to construct our factory. We will buy said land in Maharashtra because of business-friendly policies of government and nearness to other major cities. The land lease will cost 7 million rupees to 7,500,000. Raw material will cost 100,000 rupees to 120,000. Plant and machinery will cost 1 million rupees to 1,200,000 rupees. Labor will cost around 100,000 rupees during initial stages of production. Supply chain logistics will cost 500,000 rupees to 600,000. In total, our capital requirement will equal to 9,200,000 rupees to 10,500,000. Now, we will consider the sales, total cost and expected profit of our product. We have calculated sales by multiplying the expected retail price with the number of units sold. Total cost is calculated by adding the expected cost of raw material, labor expenses, advertising, maintenance expenses, supply chain expenses, depreciation and other miscellaneous expenses. In year 1, we estimate sales of 3,360,000 rupees to 4,100,000. Our cost will be 8 million rupees to 10 million. Our loss will be 5 million to 6 million. In year 2, we estimate sales of 6,700,000 rupees to 8,200,000. Our cost will be 15 million rupees to 18 million. Our loss will be 8,300,000 to 10 million. In year 3, we estimate sales of 13,400,000 rupees to 16,400,000. Our cost will be 20 million rupees to 24 million. Our loss will be 6,600,000 to 8,600,000. In year 4, we estimate sales of 26,800,000 rupees to 32,800,000. Our cost will be 32 million rupees to 35 million. Our loss will be 2,200,000 to 5,200,000. In year 5, we estimate sales of 67 million rupees to 82 million. Our cost will be 70 million rupees to 75 million. Company can make a loss of 3 million rupees to a profit of 7 million rupees. Company will reach break-even in year 5. Now one important question, how Welspun and its resources can help us to scale our business. We are basically looking for Welspun to help us launch our pilot program in all of their offices. We will start with 3-month program and observe the impact of our product to gather conclusive data. The data will help us pitch to all corporate collaborations of Welspun. We are also looking forward to plastic recycling facilities of Welspun. The waste generated will be recycled through these facilities and reintroduced in form of new bin managers, helping us in cost saving in initial stages.